Ever wondered why compliance and safety standards matter in commercial cleaning? Buckle up, because this is going to be eye-opening. First off, think about the last time you visited a newly cleaned office. Did you feel safe? That's what compliance and safety standards are all about. Without these standards, workplaces can become hotspots for hazards. From slips to chemical exposure, it's crucial to mitigate risks. And it's not just about keeping things clean. Compliance protects customers and staff, creating trust in the services buildings like malls and clinics rely on. Plus, it can boost your company's reputation. People prefer doing business with places that prioritize their well-being, right? So, as we strive for those spotless spaces, remember the importance of compliance. It's key to a safe and healthy environment for everyone. Let's make safety a top priority together. Support compliance in your cleaning habits and elevate how we all experience our spaces.